Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your Fiat 500 interior light. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your car's ignition is completely off before starting any electrical work. This prevents short circuits and ensures your safety. Refer to your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your specific model. Next, locate the interior light assembly, typically found in the center of the ceiling. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully insert it into the small notch or seam on the light cover. Gently pry downwards or outwards to release the clips holding the cover in place. Work slowly and apply even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic or the headliner. Once the cover is off, you will see the old bulb. Carefully grasp the bulb and pull it straight out of its socket. Some bulbs may require a slight twist. Now, take your new bulb and insert it firmly into the socket. Make sure it is seated properly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare fingers, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Before reassembling, turn your car's ignition to the accessory position or start the car to test the new light. If it illuminates, you're all set. Now, carefully align the plastic cover with the light assembly. Press firmly around the edges until you hear the clips snap back into place. Double-check that the cover is secure and flush with the ceiling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.